I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to update your email on KeyBank, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the KeyBank website and enter your login credentials to access your online banking account. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, locate the Profile or Settings option in the main menu. This is where you can manage your account information. Step 3. Select Email Preferences. In the Profile Settings, find the section labeled Email Preferences or Contact Information. Click on it to proceed with changing your email. Step 4. Enter your new email. Type in your new email address in the designated field. Make sure to double-check for any typos to avoid issues with account notifications. Note, if you accidentally enter a wrong email, you might miss important alerts about your account. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email, look for the Save or Update button at the bottom of the page and click it to finalize your changes. That's it. You've successfully changed your email on KeyBank. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out to customer support. Happy banking!